Hello beauties, come and join me to grow my edges. So I went on YouTube to search for Naya because she grew her edges using clove and ginger oil. So I just followed her recipe and this is it. I made use of this ginger. I didn't peel the bark, then I crushed my ginger, and this is my clove. I'll be making use of half tablespoon of clove. Crush it, mix it together with the crushed ginger, and then I'm going to add my Goya olive oil. I think I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I added 5 half tablespoons of the Goya oil. Then I mix it all together and let it sit for hours, not overnight. Or I do not like to sit for overnight because the ginger is still fresh, it's not dry. The oil might spoil if you leave it for too long, so I just left it there like that. And when it was evening, I mixed it in the morning, and in the evening I just drained the oil out. So this is what the oil looks like. It was smelling so good though. Seriously, this smelled so good with the clove and the ginger. So this is me draining the oil out of the clove and ginger, and then I'm transferring it to my applicator bottle. And my plan is to be applying this to my edges for the next 14 days, and currently I'm in day 9. So I'm supposed to be filming every day, but I didn't get the time to do that. But then definitely I'm going to show you guys the results. I'm going to show you whether it works or not. So even after, because Naya said after 2 weeks she started seeing results, so even though after 2 weeks I don't see result, or I'm seeing tiny result, I'm going to keep using it until the oil finishes. Yes, not giving up here. I must grow my edges whether the devil likes it or not. So here I'm just showing you how bad the edges are, their spaces, and I don't know. So I just apply water first. Make sure you apply water to your edges. After applying the water, then you apply your ginger clove oil, massage it all in. You do that to all your edges. It's okay to apply the oil around your hair, but right now I'm focusing on my edges and I want to see whether it will grow or not. That's just it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the updates of my edges oil. If you're new to the channel, my name is Faith. You can call me Jenny, and this is Nema Hairs. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to get notified. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.